Welcome to today's tutorial of EMMIS. This tutorial is a guide on managing the content in the website made available to all the schools registered in the EMMIS portal. As mentioned in the previous tutorials, the schools registered in the EMMIS system will receive a personal website as mandated by the CBSE board. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to use and customize the website to your liking as a school operator or school admin. To begin, open your preferred browser. Once you do that, enter the URL of the EMMIS website as usual to bring up the landing page. However, instead of the usual process of logging in with your credentials as in the previous tutorials, first select the schools menu at the top right section of the home page. You can see that there are 300 plus schools registered in the EMMIS system, and as an extension, each of these schools have been provided with a website developed for their use. As per the guidelines issued by the CBSE board, it has been made mandatory for all the schools registered with CBSE to have an individual specific website with mandatory disclosure documents uploaded in it. Following the completion of a school's registration in the EMMIS application, a personalized website is automatically created for each registered school, providing the option to upload various documents and manage the overall content in the school website with ease. To check your website, if you don't want to search for it manually, head to the search bar and type in the name of your school. I'm searching for the website of a demo school, Test School Sikkim. The search bar narrows the options to the result that you are looking for. As you saw in the earlier schools that were displayed on the first page, below the name, information, and address of the school, there is an option that says Visit Website. Click on this button and you'll be redirected to the homepage of your school website. For me, it's Test School Sikkim that you are also seeing on the screen, and comparatively, the same can be said for your school. Here, you will find numerous sets of menus to manage your content. You can edit the banner, About Us, Contact Details, and add forms and documents. Above forms and documents, you have the statistics of your school, school family, and students. The school family translates to the number of employees registered in the school. The figure above the students represents the number of students enrolled in the school. This data is in sync with EMMIS, getting dynamically reflected in the portal. In order to edit this, the school admin or the school operator needs to make the changes by accessing the student registration and employee management modules after logging into the portal. Right at the top of the website, you have a variety of options: Home, School Info, Gallery, Event Calendar, and Contact. We are in Home as we speak, but moving to School Info, a drop-down menu displays the following options: About Us, Mission, Vision, and mandatory disclosure documents, which can be filled and managed from the back end. The About Us page is a full-screen version of the earlier windowed view in the home page. Likewise, the mandatory disclosure documents will host all the necessary documents, whereas the windowed section that you earlier saw in the home page only displays the latest forms and documents in a slideshow. The school info also elaborates on the school information to acquaint visitors of the website and provide them with additional information with the mission and vision menus. Here, the visitor can understand the goal and agenda of the school and learn about the beliefs and direction that the school wishes to undertake while administrating the establishment. The gallery on the top menu bar of the website is a single option that does not expand into further submenus, so clicking on it displays the multimedia page of the website where you can upload content for your school with photos and videos. The gallery, like the school family and students from the homepage, is synced with the EMMIS portal. In order to add photos, refer to the tutorial on photo albums. As a website visitor, there's this option to view the photo and expand it for a closer inspection. Next is the event calendar. Clicking on the menu directs you to a page where you can plan the calendar for the annual school year. You have the event, start date, or the date where the event occurs, and the duration of time in days. Not only are you able to plan holidays from internationally declared holidays to religious and state holidays, but you also have the option to schedule important school notifications, such as exams and exhibitions. The event calendar covers both the school and district purposes. Moving to contact, you're met with both a Google map and a satellite map, making it easier to locate the school, the website of which you're browsing. Below are the contact details which the user can use to contact the school, the address, phone number, and email address. These were the primary sections of the website. As the school admin or school operator, should you wish to add the details or make subsequent edits to your website, you will need to log in as you would normally. Either head to the login option at the top of this page, or you can return to the landing page of the EMMIS portal and click on Login or Get Started. I'm selecting Login from the school website itself. Enter your username, password, and the generated CAPTCHA. Click on Login once done, and you'll be directed to your school dashboard. It shouldn't come as a surprise, but this is where you can edit the content for your school website, just as you have edited the data for the preceding modules under the dashboard menu. For the school website, you can edit the content from the banner to the information section, which includes About Us, Mission, as well as upload or delete all the mandatory disclosure documents. You can explore these options by accessing the website section where I'm heading to. Click on the module to expand the tree and you'll see the available options. As mentioned earlier, there is the About Us, Banners, Mission, and Vision. I'll be starting with banners. Click on banners, and currently there is no banner for Tesco Sikkim, so I'll be adding a new banner with this plus button. Here you have the option to upload a photo, and if you do, you must provide a banner description. As the note here states, that the asterisk which marks this field makes it a mandatory step. Of course, you can always choose to go back to list if you're unprepared with either of these requirements. I'll click on Upload Photo, browse for an appropriate file, and on locating it, crop to the right fit. The preview window to the right displays what the resulting banner would look like. Provide the banner description and save. The image has been uploaded, and you have the option to edit or delete it, as the note below additionally states that only a maximum of 2 banners can be uploaded, so you still have the option of uploading an additional one. In the About Us option, you have the feature of a rich text editor to help you create your profile description that will be displayed both on the homepage of your school website and the About Us under School Info. In any other website, any description or information in text needs to be coded into the website, but this is not the case with EMMIS, where you can access a rich text editor similar to MS Word to help you manage and edit content in plain text for your school website. Likewise, the same rich text editor feature is available for the Mission and Vision options. Enter the description and click on Save once done. Next, we will upload the forms and documents. The Forms and Documents module is just below the website section, so click on it after location. Here, you will be met with a page similar to that of the banners page, except there are important documents that you can read to get a clearer idea of what needs to be submitted. Scroll to the bottom and click on User Manuals and Documentations to expand the tree. You can see that there are employee registration, student registration, school information, data checklist, and infrastructure data checklist. Clicking on either of these gives you access to these manuals, which can read through every information you'd need in case of any doubt over this section. Since no records are up for Test School Sikkim, I will add them by clicking the plus icon to upload a new form or document. Fill in the mandatory fields. All of them are marked by asterisks, including the mandatory upload of the document file, which can be accepted in both image and PDF formats. And at the end, you have the option to declare whether the document is a mandatory disclosure document as per the CBSE guidelines. Select yes or no. If you declare the document as a mandatory disclosure document, the documents will be available in the mandatory disclosure documents under the school info of the school website. Save once done, and a record of the file is created in the following page. You have the option to view, edit, or delete the record. However, the date of the update will be changed every time you make an edit. Unlike the banners page, you're not limited to 2 uploads in this section for your school website. You can add additional documents by clicking on the plus icon up here. Below the Forms and Documents, you have the menu of Event Calendar, which you can access for planning events in your calendar. The summer vacation has already been planned. If you were to click on it, you can view the start and end date, a description specifying the event, as well as supplementary details such as the level of applicability, who applied this, and to whom it is applied. Holidays such as World Environment Day and International Yoga Day are pre-imposed. Likewise, the first term examination. The dates marked with blue dots are marked for events. Let's select a blank date for an event. 7th July seems available. Click on it and add an event. Now the event has been listed in the event list for July. In the event progress, you can view the list of events and mark them if successfully conducted. As an ending note, if you want to change the website address of your school address, you can update the URL by expanding the school details module. Select contact details from the list of options and you'll find a field where you can edit the website. Similarly, if you wish to upload more photos or reorganize the existing photo albums, you can do that by selecting the Photo Albums module. As we had uploaded some content in an earlier tutorial, you can refer to the link to watch that video as a guide to uploading and editing your own photo albums for your school website. Therefore, this tutorial gives you a general idea of what you can expect from the school website that has been developed and provided to your disposal by the EMMIS system. You also now know how to utilize and manage the website according to the convenience of your school. Hoping you found this guide helpful, and any questions can be written into the comments section below, which will be answered in due time. Thank you for watching.